Hello everyone, in this video we will cover the last topic of this series, which is actually the connectivity section. Which connectivity? Of course the internet connectivity. So we will check if we have the internet connection or not. This is the topic actually. So to check that, first we need to start with the domain section, which is actually related to connectivity for this video. And let's look at it. We have just one getter, which name is connectivity state change. So we will listen this stream to understand if we have internet connection or not. So apart from our interface, our service, we need to implement it, right? So let's go to the infrastructure folder, connectivity, and here it is. So firstly, you should know the issue. There is an issue about the connectivity package and it's related to emulators. The problem says there is a known issue on iOS, but I tried on Android. It also has a problem, so that you should try on your real device. Here is the issue. On iOS, the connectivity status might not update when Wi-Fi status changes, etc. So I wrote such things. It works well on the real devices, but there is a known issue. The package is not working properly in the simulators, or actually emulators. So because of that, actually we handle the connectivity with the right way. But there is a known issue for the connectivity package. You should know this. But anyway, since we are doing the application that is for the production actually, and because of that we need to write our code. We need to handle the connectivity section. After we complete the implementation of the connectivity, then we can test with our own real devices. So okay, let's continue. We have connectivity, which is coming from the injection module file. Here, connectivity package. Since our connectivity is third-party dependencies, we need to register it in here. Okay. After that, we are just listening it. Okay. We have connectivity variable class, and then there is a stream, and with this stream we map it. After that, we handle the cases. So okay, for the mobile, we return mobile, Wi-Fi, or none. So let's go to the application folder, which is the last one. Of course, if you ignore the presentation section. Anyway, here it is. Yeah, we have state is user connect to the internet, and it is a boolean. So if the user is connected to the internet, then we can understand that the user has the internet connection. And with this, the app works as well. But if the user is not connected to the internet, then we should show some things, snack bar, or we can show some widgets, some things, okay, to report the internet connection to the user. So anyway, let's go to the Cubit section, and here we have the stream subscription again to listen our state. We subscribe it, and then we listen it in our constructor. Then of course we cannot forget to close, because we have to close it. And apart from that, we have function, which is for the listening the connectivity state change section, and we are just updating our state. For example, if the connectivity is mobile or Wi-Fi, then we can understand that there is an internet connection. But if the connectivity result is not equal to mobile or Wi-Fi, then we can understand that there is no internet connection. And that's it. So let's go to the presentation section. Here it is, presentation page. And so okay, now how we can handle the connectivity section. I did such things like here, like this. I have BLoC listener, which is actually connectivity BLoC or connectivity Cubit. And here I have listener, and I have bot toast section. And yeah, okay, let's run the app to show you. Okay, right now I have the internet connection, as you can see. and I need to close it. Okay, let's close. As you can see, there is no message. So we will do such things. For example, let's open and connect here. Yeah, actually we connected, but it gives a bot toast. So actually we are in here. So we are not connected to internet. It shows like this, but we connected right here. So, and because of that, there is a issue. So you need to test it with your own real device. But to show the bot toast package, bot toast widget in here, I just wanted to try it for you. Instead of snack bar, you can use the bot toast widget, bot toast package. It's a nice package. I love the bot toast package. So yeah, that's it actually. I will not upload more videos because the series has done. We covered all the sections, I think. Of course, except the silence sections. But in the beginning of the series, I told you there is a video playlist. Before start this project, you should watch the related videos for the silence section. And after that, you can start this project. You can build. And with this project, you can extend your skills. In the beginning of the series, I told you you are a developer and you have to extend your skills. And as a Flutter developer, the chat feature, the chat application is important because in the almost every mobile application, there is a chat feature. And for the chat feature, we are using the Stream, and Stream is the most popular chat service, and Firebase is also same. It is also popular service, maybe not the chat service, but anyway, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me. See you on the other videos. Take care of you and thank you so much.